Good morning and welcome to Rooted in Sentiment. Got a quick video for you guys today. I'm going to show you one of our propagation stations that I'm creating for this weekend. And it has 3 glass balls in it, and they sit on this wooden slat that has indentions in it so they don't fall off. Look closer, look at that. We're going to be decorating these today we have lucky bamboo. We'll add over here. I have some pothos I will put in the middle, and along with that pothos, I'm going to put a piece of snake plant. And then over here, we're going to have a piece of tradescantia inch plant that we're going to put right here. All right, so that completes our look. And that is your quick do-it-yourself propagation station that you can put on your desk, your workspace. You can put it anywhere in your home. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to page Rooted in Sentiment. You guys have a great day.